So what are we going to do today, Parikshit?
Today
We are going to draw another dog, Chihuahua. So let's
start drawing.
and we'll need a black
Hey, that's mine.
So where is mine?
Count till 5.
1, 2, 3. Let's start drawing the dog Chihuahua. The name itself is a cartoon dog.
Yeah, cartoon dog. He looked pretty fun. He will look pretty funny also.
Yeah. So let's start.
It's going to be a very easy drawing.
Yeah. Let's start with the face. How is the face?
The face is very difficult.
No, it's very easy. See a small circle, semicircle.
Yes, semicircle.
Then we make the ears.
So
And
what,
we make another
so
ear.
what did you say?
A semicircle.
A big semicircle.
A big semicircle. Not very big. Because then we also have to make the body. Yeah. Now we do it like this. Okay. Yeah.
Let me see how you doing.
Sure. The nose,
Let me see.
like a small puppy.
Yes, you are. You are a small puppy only.
Yeah. A cartoon.
Puppy.
Yeah. Okay. Now the back side of the body. And let's complete this. Okay. One other set of legs.
Okay.
Okay. Now one more legs.
Papa,
Yeah.
can I make a new one?
Okay.
Papa, see the body.
It's okay.
No,
Yeah.
it's not okay.
It's okay.
How did you make this?
Yeah. Small. Okay. And okay. And I'm done. You're also done. So easy. So easy peasy for Parikshit. And now let's color it quickly using a dark brown, a light brown,
And the skin color.
and that's all. We don't need a skin color over here.
But I'm going to take the skin color.
Why?
I'm going to.
Okay, your choice. If you want to, you can. See over here, you have to make sure. See, this will be the white area. Okay.
We're going to do some white area also.
Yeah.
Why? Why, Papa? But why are we not going to do some white?
But the lower body of the dogs are at times white color. Okay. Let's color the entire body with this brown color.
Not the entire. I forgot something.
What?
Like the tail.
So kids, you don't need to go so fast. If you want, you can pause, you can slow,
And
but
there's
make sure that you are drawing it nice and slowly and smoothly.
Papa,
Yeah.
why did you do the legs around?
Got it? Yes. And I am kind of done. Okay. So we use a little bit of and then we use the red color to do the strap of the dog, and this for this. And what else do we do? Yeah, perfect. So here is our Chihuahua, the dog. A very easy and step-by-step drawing of Parikshit, say.
I don't know the word. It is too confusing of the
It's too
word.
confusing.
Yeah.
Okay, we are done.
Almost. You can't see. Your coloring is so bad.
No, it's better than yours. So we are done.
Almost.
Almost. So
friends.
let's wait and talk to your friends.
So friends, did you love the drawing? If you love the drawing, do like, subscribe our channel.
Tell for more
Drawing.
drawings, and you would have heard Parikshit's stories, poems, science experiments. And do you enjoy the Minecraft games that Parikshit plays? And the chess game? And the Among Us game?
And the
Have you played? No?
no.
Okay, no problem. So, keep having fun and keep learning with Kids Fun Learn Club. And do not forget to buy our books from our website, kidsfunlearnclub.com/books. And be ready to get a lot of surprises because we have a lot of exciting surprise gifts over there. So, see you there and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye with a